Hi everyone, Bill Nye here. Let's talk about energy efficiency. It's about using less energy to do the same things. That's good for your wallet and the planet. Think of it like this. You wouldn't leave your car running for no reason, right? Energy efficiency is like turning off your car when you don't need it, but for your whole house. Saving energy can be easy and fun. We can make small changes that add up to big savings. Let's get started. Let's talk about lights. Did you know that lighting makes up a big chunk of your energy bill? The good news is there are simple ways to save. First, switch to LED bulbs. They use way less energy than old-fashioned bulbs and last much longer. That's a win-win. Turn off lights when you leave a room. It seems simple, but it makes a difference. Also, use natural light whenever you can. Open those curtains and let the sunshine in. Staying warm in the winter is important, but it doesn't have to mean huge energy bills. Let's outsmart the cold together. Make sure your house is sealed up tight and secure. Check for drafts around windows and doors. Weather stripping is your best friend. Lower your thermostat a few degrees to save more. Put on a sweater or grab a cozy blanket. You'll be surprised how much energy you can save this way. And don't forget to give your furnace a tune-up every single year. Appliances make our lives easier, but they can also be energy hogs. From the refrigerator that keeps our food fresh to the washing machine that cleans our clothes, these devices are essential. However, they can also be a significant drain on our energy resources if not used wisely. Let's make them work smarter, not harder. By optimizing their settings and using smart home technology, we can reduce energy consumption without sacrificing convenience. For instance, using a programmable thermostat can help manage heating and cooling more efficiently. When it's time for a new fridge, washing machine, or any other major appliance, it's crucial to make informed choices. Look for energy-efficient models. These appliances are designed to use less electricity and water, which can significantly reduce your utility bills over time. They might cost a bit more upfront, but the investment pays off. The savings on your energy bills will accumulate, making the initial expense worthwhile. Over the lifespan of the appliance, you'll notice a substantial reduction in your energy costs, contributing to a more sustainable household. Unplug chargers when you're not using them. Many people don't realize that chargers continue to draw power even when they're not connected to a device. These energy vampires suck up power even when nothing's plugged in. By simply unplugging them, you can prevent unnecessary energy waste. Wash your clothes in cold water whenever possible. Modern detergents are designed to work just as effectively in cold water, and this simple change can save a significant amount of energy. And air dry your clothes when you can. Not only does this save energy, but it also extends the life of your garments by reducing wear and tear from the dryer. The dryer is a big energy user. If you must use it, try to run full loads and use the moisture sensor setting to avoid over-drying. Small changes in our daily habits can lead to significant energy savings and lower bills. Section 5. Waterworks, saving energy drop by drop. Saving water is important, but did you know it saves energy too? Every drop of water you save contributes to a larger effort of conserving energy. It's a simple yet effective way to make a big difference. It takes a lot of energy to heat water. So using less hot water is a win-win. Take shorter showers. By reducing your shower time, you not only save water, but also cut down on the energy required to heat that water. This means lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. I know a long hot shower feels great, but try cutting it back by a few minutes. Set a timer if you need to. Even reducing your shower by just 2 minutes can save gallons of water and a significant amount of energy over time. You'll be surprised how much energy you save. When you see those reduced charges on your energy bill, you'll realize the impact of these small changes. It's a rewarding feeling to know you're contributing to a more sustainable future. Fix any leaky faucets right away. A dripping faucet might seem like a minor issue, but those drips can waste a lot of water and energy over time. A single drip per second can waste over 3,000 gallons of water a year. Those drips might seem small, but they add up over time. Imagine the energy required to heat all that wasted water. By fixing leaks promptly, you can prevent unnecessary water and energy loss. And when you're washing dishes, don't let the water run constantly. Instead, fill the sink and use the basin to wash and rinse your dishes. If you have a dishwasher, make sure it's fully loaded before running it. This way, you maximize the efficiency of water and energy use. Simple habits like these can make a big difference. By being mindful of our water consumption, we also contribute to saving water. Small effort makes a significant difference and a healthier planet for future generations. Section 6. The power of habits. Making energy. Efficiency a lifestyle. Saving energy isn't about making a few changes and then forgetting about it. It's about building good habits. Make energy efficiency a part of your daily routine. Turn off lights without thinking about it. Unplug chargers automatically. It's all about making it second nature. Talk to your family and friends about energy efficiency. The more people who know about it, the bigger the impact we can make together. Section 7. The Green Connection, Energy Efficiency and the Environment. In this section, we will explore the vital link between energy efficiency and the health of our environment. Understanding this connection is crucial for making informed decisions that benefit both our wallets and our planet. Saving energy isn't just good for your wallet, it's also a powerful way to contribute to a healthier planet. Simple actions like turning off lights when not in use, using energy-efficient LED bulbs, and adjusting your thermostat can make a significant difference. It's also good for the planet. When we save energy, we help preserve our natural resources and reduce the strain on our environment. Clean rivers, lush forests, and clear skies are all part of the benefits we can enjoy by being more energy conscious. When we use less energy, we reduce pollution and help fight climate change. Factories emit less smoke, solar panels harness the sun's power, and electric cars reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. These are all steps towards a cleaner, greener future. Burning fossil fuels to generate electricity releases harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases contribute to global warming, leading to melting glaciers, endangered wildlife, and extreme weather events. By reducing our energy consumption, we can mitigate these effects. The burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and natural gas is a major source of pollution. Power plants, mining operations and refineries all contribute to the release of greenhouse gases. Transitioning to renewable energy sources and using energy more efficiently can significantly reduce these emissions. By using less energy, we reduce our reliance on these polluting power plants. Every little bit helps. Installing energy-efficient appliances, turning off devices when not in use, and utilizing smart home systems are practical steps we can take to lower our energy consumption. Even small changes in our energy use can have a positive impact on the health of our planet. Proper home insulation, energy-saving curtains and ceiling windows with weather strips can all contribute to a more energy-efficient home, reducing the need for heating and cooling. It's about being responsible citizens of Earth. Participating in community recycling programs, educating the next generation about environmental stewardship, and taking part in clean-up activities are all ways we can contribute to a sustainable future. Every action counts, and together we can make a significant impact on the health of our planet. Let's embrace energy efficiency and protect our environment for future generations. Section 8. Spreading the word. Sharing your energy-saving knowledge. Once you've started saving energy at home, don't keep it a secret. Share your knowledge with friends, family and neighbors. Tell them about the simple changes you've made and the difference it's made to your energy bills. Encourage them to join you in making their homes more energy efficient. You can even organize a neighborhood energy-saving challenge. See who can reduce their energy consumption the most over a month. It's a fun and rewarding way to make a difference together. Section 9. The big picture. Small changes, big impact. It's easy to feel like our individual actions don't matter, but when it comes to energy efficiency, every little bit counts. If everyone made just a few small changes to their energy habits, the collective impact would be enormous. We could significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and create a cleaner, healthier planet. Remember, we're all in this together. By working together and supporting each other, we can make a real difference in the fight against climate change. Section 10, your energy-efficient journey starts today. Congratulations, you're now armed with the knowledge and inspiration to start your own energy-efficient journey. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 simple changes and gradually incorporate more energy-saving habits into your daily routine. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings us closer to a brighter, more sustainable future. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and make a difference together.